We are going to discuss about DT based approach for reworking for innovating the basic electro-pneumatic kit with PLC trainer. The basic kit we are going to explain about how the pneumatic system have been converted into multiple modular trainer kit in the previous video. Now we are going to discuss about how the basic basic electro-pneumatic kit with PLC trainer. When while discussing about PLC setup, we are having certain sensor based kit. In this kit we are having capacity sensor, photoelectric sensor and inductive sensor, through which we can able to give the input data for the through PLC coding, and also we can able to develop a basic kit setup which is having fiber to double solenoidal valve. We are discussing about the electro-pneumatic system, so we need to understand how the solenoid valve has been working, and also if we are planning to re-innovate, we need to do as per DT procedure. First we need to empathize how we can able to recreate, we can able to reduce the material cost, and we can also able to implement the modular design we have discussed in the previous video. And coming to the basic electro-pneumatic kit with the PLC trainer, we can able to set up a basic PLC trainer along with this module, so we can able to control based upon the requirement, and we can also customize the system. And while talking about the solenoid valve, which will be having a coil inside the valve control system, and also we can able to control the power system, and also we can able to control the voltage system also. While coming about defining our product by using after empathy, we can able to define a structure how we can able to create a modular based upon the electro-pneumatic with the PLC. We can able to set up the airfl unit in the center of the system, and also we can able to connect the sensor linked with the airfl unit, and also we can able to connect direct solenoid valve, which can be converted from 6 push-way connector to 5/2 solenoid valve. We can able to connect with the output, we can able to control all the complete system. While ideate this kit, we can able to reduce the material, we can able to reduce the valve setup. If you are planning for 5/2 valve, with this 5/2 valve we can able to implement the 3/2 valve also, and also 5/2 single solenoid valve. So by connecting all the valve in a single system, we can able to develop an ideal setup of prototype. And while reworking or developing any product or developing any setup, we can able to implement a modular setup kit. Now you can ask any question about the kit re-innovation.
What types of coding?
Actually, in PLC coding, we can able to develop a basic setup of codes such as C related with C programming, and we can able to use the same keywords. We can able to develop the same keywords for PLC programming also. If they are planning to implement it only through PLC control, we need coding. Otherwise, we need not any coding. We can able to directly control the push button or valve. Anything we can able to control. If we are planning to develop any kit, re-innovate any kit with the PLC trainer, we can able to develop this type of setup, and also we can reduce the material cost and time cost by manufacturing by a modular design. This is how we can able to empathize based on DT approach to re-innovate, to reinvent the existing trainer kit with the PLC, and or without PLC. Actually, we can have an hands-on session also. We can able to connect the PLC kit. This is actually electrical control kit, which is not applicable for our approach what we are discussing now. This is the PLC trainer kits, through which we can able to give the input feed and output feed. We can also directly connect the system with this kit. Also, we can give the coding input along with the kit. Or otherwise, we can able to connect any valve, any two setups or any two point of view through which we can able to connect. This is the basic setup. So if you are giving any input, we need to give in this section, and if you are giving any output, if you are giving link with the input, we can able to connect this also. And if you want output from the same setup, the same cross section line, we can able to take the output. With this output, we can able to connect the direct setup with the electro-pneumatic system. Along with it, we can able to change any system which we need to connect with the PLC setup also. this system can be applicable. Without any trainer kit, we can able to directly deal with how the PLC working system is controlled, and also we can give the data through coding, and also we can able to give the data, get the data with coding also. With the basic pneumatic kit, we can able to develop any setup of working system for controlling a position or controlling any sensor. PLC will give more support to the automation system. Along with the trainer kit, we can able to re-innovate through this. Thank you.